Scott, and this is my bike check. Okay, so first, bar ends. I'm a little ghetto motherfucker. I got two different bar ends. I got a premium bar end, and I got a shadow one. Grips, I got a Colt Faith grips, I think they're called. Not really too sure. Yeah. I got Connolly Blow Death bars. I mean, they look pretty jokes, let's be honest. I got my Sunday stem, thanks to Graham BMX for hooking me up with that. I got an FSA headset. It was pretty sick. It runs pretty smooth. Does make my bike do a weird sound when I tap the bars. Yeah. Forks. I got thick blade light forks. They're pretty sweet. I mean, they haven't bent on me yet, which a lot of forks do. Oh, and I've snapped a few stems. I mean, I've snapped an S&M race stem, an S&M redneck. Yeah, I've snapped a few.
I swear you snapped two.
Yeah. Okay, so front wheel. I got a Salt Plus front wheel, I think it is. I mean, it's pretty solid, like, for a Salt anyway, like female axles. Yeah. I got an Odyssey Aitken front tyre. Red Bull, they're pretty sweet. Okay, so frame. I've got an Aaron Ross. I mean, it's one of the best frames I've had, thanks to Tom Farty. It's got built-in chain tensioners, rippled bottom tubing. Yeah, it's brakeless as well, which is pretty sweet. Alright, seat. I got an Odyssey Aitken seat. It's not the best seat, I'm not gonna lie. It is a little bit of an arse raper. Post. I got Federal post, pretty small, but I don't run post, that's cool. Yeah, chain ring. I've got a Federal micro light sprocket that I snapped doing the fucking ET to tap. Cranks. I've got We the People Royal 09 cranks, I think. I mean, they're solid as anything.
They're the second newest ones out.
I've got Odyssey Trail Mix pedals, obviously because I'm a trails beast. I'm joking. But I do ride trails. Bottom bracket, I got a Shadow Chorus bottom bracket, I think it's called. That's pretty solid. That is probably like one of the best bits on my bike. Alright, now for the back wheel, I've got a Primo mix on a Primo 7 Series rim. It is sweet as motherfuckers. Yeah, it's pretty sick. I've got an Odyssey P-Light, Odyssey Path, I think they're called. Back tyre. I got BSG hubguard or something.
It's Primo, something like that.
Yeah, they're Primo, something like that. Pegs, I got GT aluminium.
The lightest
bullshit.
pegs.
They are so fucking light, it's unreal, and they're amazing. Anything else? Yeah, I got YBN chain. If you want to know about that, it's a load of bullshit. But yeah, thanks for watching my bike check. Subscribe, comment, rate, yeah, do all that bullshit down there and up there. Yeah. Alright, cheers.